Hello everybody. So today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about we need to transform the delta into the star or the wave. So now I will show you how to answer. So that's about from the delta we go to the Y or the star in here. So before we do about this one, we need to consider about this one first and this one first. So if we look carefully about this one, we know that this is in the series. So that means number 2 plus 1. So we have number 3 in here. Similar for this one. So 7 plus 2 we have number 9. Now I will consider about this one first. So if we look carefully, this one just like about the delta. So we have number 10 in here. Let's say about 10 ohms, 5 ohms, and 3 ohms. Now we need to transform delta into the star in here. To do about this one, we can put the star in here. So that means we need to transform the delta into the star. And that will be like this. So to calculate about this one, I will put about R number 1. About R number 1, we have the formula in here. So because R number 1 between number 10 and number 3, so we will have about number 10 multiplied by number 3 and the sum of 3 units in here. So we have 10 plus 5 plus 3. And R number 1, that is about 5 over 3. Now the next one, R number 2, that's about this one in here. R number 2 between number 10 and number 5. So R number 2 should be about number 10 multiplied by number 5 over 10 plus 5 plus 3. And this one we have 25 over 9. And the last one, number 3, or number 3 between number 3 and number 5 in here. So this one, we will have about R number 3 equals to number 3 multiplied by number 5 over 10 plus 3 plus 5. And this one, we have 5 over 6. Now we just finished about this one. Now we can continue about this one in here. So this one we have 4, 8, and 9. Now we need to convert the delta into the star. So I will put about R number 1 in here. or number 1 that is between number 4 and number 8 in here when we put in here. So we have 4 multiplied by 8 over the sum of 8, 4 and 9. We got 32 over 21. Now we do similar for all number 2 in here. So we have between number 9 and number 4. We have 12 over 7. And the last one, all number 3. That is between number 8 and number 9. So we have 8 plus 4 plus 9. We calculate about this one. And we got 24 over 7. After we calculate about everything in here, we can create about the new figure of this one. So we have 3 ohms in here. This one we transform into the star. So that is about this one in here. So they will be like this. And number 3 and number 6 we keep the same. And this one we have another star in here. So the number in here, that's about all number 1. We have 5 over 3. This number in here, that is about all number 2. We have 25 over 9. And this one, that is about all number 3. We have 5 over 6. This one we keep the same. So that should be about number 3 and number 6. And this one, that's about all number 1. We have 32 over 21 because we go in this way and this way in here. So this is about for this one. And this one, that is from here. So we have 12 over 7. And the last one, that's about 24 over 7. After we do about the star, we can calculate about this one and this one in here. And this is about the series. Later that we can use about parallel to do this one and this one. Later that we can find about the total resistance in here. Now the sum of 3 numbers in here, that is about 460 over 63. So the sum of 3 numbers in here, that is about 359 over 42. Because this is about parallel, So we can find the resistance of this one in here. That should be about 1 over 8 equals to 1 over 460 over 63 plus 1 over 359 over 42. We can find about capital A in here, and that should be about, that is about 165,140 over 41,937 ohms, and this is about capital A. Now we just sum number 3, 5 over 3 and 24 over 7. We can find about total resistance in here. That is about 24,030 over 1,997 ohms. After we got about this one, we want to find about the current in here. So we have the voltage. So we have I equals to V divided by R total in here. So we have V, that's about 30 volts. So we have 30 in here. We divide this number in here. And we have 1,997 over 801, and this one approximate about 2.493134 amperes. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.